Slice half of a green bell pepper, half of a red bell pepper, and half of a yellow bell pepper. Slice 100 grams of cherry tomatoes. Slice 1 cucumber. Juice 2 limes. Add 2 sprigs of arugula. Mix in half a cup of cooked sweet corn. For the dressing, in a bowl, combine the juice of 2 limes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of mustard paste, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Season with a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of chopped coriander leaves. Mix until well combined. Drizzle the dressing over the vegetables. Toss gently to coat.